Ia wa'a nui, ia wa'a ki aloha. Ia wa'a ke lele ua lele mamala. Amanu o uka, amanu o kai. Iwi pole na a kauka hoku. A kau I ka malama a pai kula.
The kupuna here today, mahalo each and every one of you. The kupuna that you call, that have stepped on the deck of these va'a for decades, that have stepped on the deck of the va'a that have gone before, they're here. The kupuna of this aina are here. Ilikime kaine, these rituals belong to you. These rituals will be carried on by you. But the intention, the intentionality of calling our kupuna, of calling out to the uhane of these va'a, and then connecting it as you leave to the mana of our kanaloa. We get the feeling that each and every one of you could sleep a little bit different tonight and from the nights to come, because you're that much closer to your kupuna and the kupuna of all those that are supporting you. So for us, from the aina, we mahalo each and every one of you, because you are going on behalf of our lahu. You're going on behalf of the ones that came before. You're going to be on behalf of the ones that are staying back here supporting you. And maybe most importantly, you're going on behalf of those who have yet to come. So mahalo, mahalo, mahalo.